My name is Kenny Tran, a senior right now at Santiago High School. I play basketball and volleyball at Saturnapo. I'm Key Club President of Santiago High School. I'm also the event coordinator for LXG, Spirit Commissioner for ASB, and some of the other clubs that I don't have position but I'm still in is NHS and CSF as well. What I feel about like indoor like gym sports, they're kind of like, for basketball it's very fast paced and your decision making skills has to be on point, or unless you turn over a point for the other team. So I feel like for basketball, like you have to make like the best choice, such as like in like school you have to make like the best choice for yourself, whether it be like a time test or something like that. So you have to have like the best choice and the best like skill set as well to approach those problems and succeed over it.
It's really been a pleasure to work with Kenny. I think that there are lots of ways to lead, and one of those ways is just through the energy and excitement that you bring to everything that you do. And Kenny is that kid who can just change everything because of his demeanor. He always is positive, and he really brings that to everything. So he's served as our mascot, and that takes a really special person to put that costume on and get out there and just be crazy. And Kenny's the perfect person for our mascot position.
So Kenny is the ideal definition of a scholar athlete. He carries a strong GPA, he plays varsity sports, he is a president of Key Club, he is an officer of my club, LXG, and he's part of ASB. Very ideal student, a true role model, and I love his energy on campus. He does announcements, it just gets everyone fired up.
I chose Kenny as our Spotlight athlete because he's like an outstanding all-around Cavalier. You know, he's involved in school and in many of our social activities, our academic activities, and then he's also an outstanding athlete. You know, he enjoys playing on our volleyball team. He's been playing on our basketball team, I know, at least for the past couple of years. It's fun. He's great. If he's in the game, he's great. If he's on the bench, you know, supporting all of his teammates and really cheering it up. Also, him is just being part of a positive school culture, involved in ASB and LXG and Key Club, and you know, you can see him at any of our other athletic events. You know, he's always there. He's Kenny. He's in the stands. He's rooting it up for all the Cavaliers, doing a great job. You know, you see him around campus, always talking to everybody. He's up doing our announcements for our ASB, and you know, being really positive and just kind of cheering up the whole school and making every day a great day here at Santiago.